Flanders Biotechnology is a precision exposome company. We operate in the realm of precision medicine, but we bring a novel platform that allows us to develop biomarkers that can be used for early detection of diseases, for finding new treatments, and overall having a public health impact where genomics alone is not sufficient.
We're a biotechnology company here at the New Jersey EDA Bioscience Center. So we work on two things, research and basic science. We look at glaucoma, which is an eye disease, and so our goal is to delay or prevent the formation of glaucoma. Other thing that we do, it seems unrelated, but it's a platform technology, which is we detect cancer in blood.
Courigen is a startup bioscience company, and we develop in vivo genetic medicines using our own proprietary delivery platforms.
Sandy is a specialty CDMO. We specialize in the drug delivery of the challenger compound property. So we utilize our formulation technology, particularly in the nano-based technology, to make a compound work in the preclinical and also work in the human clinical trial phase.
We moved to New Jersey EDA about a year ago, and it's been a great experience for us. We've had all the support we need. Our laboratory is a highly technical one that requires some specific requirements. NJEDA has always been there to provide us the support.
One of the other aspects of New Jersey EDA Bioscience Center is that you have a sense of community with other companies, so you don't have to build your own energy. You walk in here, everyone's busy, everyone's working hard. There's other companies, and the New Jersey EDA is also located here, so if you have a question, you can literally just go upstairs and ask. As you start to grow your company, people feel like it's professional, and they understand that it's a space where really good science is getting done.
This facility is a state-of-the-art facility. I think it's a particular incubator setup. You have everything set it up. What you need is your idea, and with your package you can move in right away. For entrepreneur, for startup company, they can start their idea immediately without delay. I think that's the good, very strength about the incubator.
There are many programs here that are geared towards supporting the tenants, bringing in outside experts to help the tenants with the questions that they have. The labs are turnkey labs, right? When we moved in, everything, the benches, the hood, everything were available. And there's quite a bit of shared resources too, like glass wash, autoclave, those basic stuff that a biotech company would need. The conference rooms are shared. There's really quite a bit of savings by being in the incubator.
The location was another reason that attracted us here. We're in a unique situation on the East Coast, surrounded by universities, a major financial hub in Wall Street not too far from here, so that helps us raise capital. We have the intellectual capacity of Rutgers, Princeton, and of course all the universities in Manhattan. At the same time, we have such large pharma neighbors that we can always go to their networking events and start growing as a company through that social network. In addition, we have excellent academic centers. We have Rutgers and Princeton not too far from here. We have hospitals. As a precision medicine company, linking with clinicians and patients is crucial to our growth, and New Jersey offers all of that. There's also an economic advantage here. We get so many economic benefits through the New Jersey government, such as having a large laboratory space at a very reasonable rent.
So I want to have a place where my kids could grow up, they can go to good schools, I want to be able to afford where I live, and I don't want to be in debt. And so for New Jersey, it's not cheap, but it's affordable, it's reasonable. So if you pay at the 50th percentile, people can buy a house, they can send their kids to a top public school, and they can get a top education, and they can have a good life. The location is very important, where you are. So if you need to have business development deals, or for example, we're working with a team to build the device, everyone's here. So I think that you're in the pharma corridor. There's a lot of space to expand. So if we wanted to go to 14,000 square feet or 100,000 square feet, it's actually right next door to the incubator. And if you have a company of 30, let's say you're going to 100, you can't ask 30 people to move. They're all going to get new jobs. And so the ability to expand is actually very important. The great thing about the New Jersey EDA Bioscience Center is that you can leverage New York City without paying New York City prices.
It's just a short drive to New York City, where a lot of our top customers were. And in New Jersey, a lot of top pharmaceutical companies who are also our customers, the supportive policies and government, the infrastructure, the facility. I think New Jersey really has everything that an entrepreneur could look for.
New Jersey also offers a very large and talented labor pool, so we've had no trouble recruiting.
We looked at talent. Where is the most concentration of PhDs? So we actually looked for that, and it's actually in this area. The price for the facilities from the New Jersey EDA was very attractive for us. You don't want to have real estate in your top 3 costs. Your top 3 costs should really be intellectual property, personnel, and research and development. Real estate shouldn't be in there, but we can recruit talent here. It's a great place to live, it's diverse. And so I think the incubator has kind of allowed us to grow from a small lab to a larger lab without signing long-term leases. It's a 1-year lease. It's actually very important.
When we started here, we had leased in total about 2,000 square feet of laboratory space. Now we have tripled our footprint. We are at about 6,000 square feet of space. We have grown from a company that was barely about 10 people to around 28 people now. We've had a lot of momentum that is provided by NJEDA to support our growth. We consider this to be one of the smartest moves we have made.
So the incubator space that we have, we started off in a 1,200 square foot laboratory, which allows you to grow. And then we moved into another 1,200 square foot laboratory, so now you're at 2,400, and then another, and by the end of it, we're up to about 5,000 square feet of laboratory space. And for a biotech company our size, that's a lot of space. And it allows us to recruit. You always have to recruit on your laboratory space offices 6 months ahead of time, because by the time you sign the lease, you sign all the terms, it's about 6 to 8 months. Here it's very quick.
This is now the first time I'm at Bioscience Center. Before Couragen, I was the co-founder of genomic service company called GENEWIZ. We really started really small from New Jersey, from this very building. By the time that GENEWIZ was acquired in 2018, we had over 1,200 employees with operations in 5 different countries, including US, China, UK, Germany, and Japan. When I was looking for a space to host our lab, coming back to the Bioscience Center was a no-brainer.
The Bioscience Center makes science happen in New Jersey.